Good morning, everybody. So Euro USD did not break the double bottom, and that is typical of a trap. And again, hindsight being perfect science, we were below the moving averages. So what you would have expected is more selling pressure coming off the top here rather than the breakout. But we did see it as a potential turnaround, and there is always a 40% chance that your double bottoms do play out. So they're always well worth watching. So that level at 109.079 is probably the top of a range, and at the moment this is the bottom of the range at 108.465. We've dropped below it, we're back into the range. So from an 8-hour perspective, I'm not convinced of anything at the moment. This is sideways. The minute we start drilling down through the time frames, pretty solid range. And you can see how it was looking like a breakout here, but again below the 150 EMA. So hindsight being the perfect science, rather focus on looking for the short retests, and the fractal that we were looking at, which is typical, which would have been a pin bar, and there's your pin bar there, and that is 109.107. Look how nicely that was caught. Now if we get down to the levels that we're looking for, remember you need to hit that like button, just get some interaction, comment, share. It does help the channel a lot. So again, hindsight being a perfect science, we were below the 150, we broke above it, but often what you're looking for is a retest of that break. So that would have been right there. So any one of these tails, so you can see 109 is basically the level that you would have been paying attention to, because we got a breakthrough of it, but then the pullback did not materialize, and you would have seen that on the 15-minute. So, and that's why I said to you yesterday, we want to see a break of the neckline. We did get a little break of the neckline, but I want to see a break and a pullback, retest, and only then is that double bottom confirmed. So this one was more a case of rejection down, and then we were looking to find resistance here at 108.767. So that would have been your short area there, and this would have been my target at 108.465. We sort of hit it, dropped below it, now we're back above it. So I'm kind of back sitting on my hands here on the dollar. I'm not so sure we have any moves to the upside. You can see the structure clearly here for yesterday, what you would have expected. Any one of these tails, you would have expected a pin bar, inside bar, engulfing bar on to indicate that we have a move to the upside bring. That did not materialize. Okay, anyway, so we are ranging. That's the way I see this. You can leave the levels in that I've given you at the moment. Those are the ones you need to pay attention to. You could probably just take these top ones out at the moment, because if this is a break of the range, then I would expect us to reject 108.661. Reject that area for another leg down. But this worries me that we dropped below 108.465 and didn't really come back and reject it. We're back above it. So that to me just indicates 50-50. We could have another strong green bar up and then red bar down. So I just think you've got sideways price action here. You don't really want to get involved in it. So rather look for a different forex pair, or just sit back and wait. I think that's kind of what I'm going to be doing, sitting back and waiting. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.